In this video, we're diving into Ramp, Brex, and QuickBooks to see which platform holds the best solutions for businesses in 2025. First up is Ramp, renowned for its expense management and innovative credit solutions tailored for modern businesses. Next, we have Brex, whose emphasis on corporate cards and financial control has made it a favorite for startups and established firms alike. Lastly, QuickBooks offers a comprehensive accounting software experience, utilizing a variety of financial tools necessary for business efficiency. Now, let's analyze how the pricing models of Ramp, Brex, and QuickBooks stack up against each other. User experience is vital. We'll look at the ease of use and interface design of each platform. How well do these platforms integrate with other tools? Let's explore their compatibility. Customer support can make or break your experience. We'll evaluate the availability and quality of help for each platform. Different businesses have different needs. We'll explore scenarios to see which platform fits best for various business sizes. Looking forward, what can we expect from these tools in 2025? Let's discuss the future trends.